Okay, the first thing you want to do is to open your browser and type in the search box, create a new Binance account, then press search. It's going to take a few moments to load, and after it is loaded, you're going to see the Binance logo right there, which tells you about cryptocurrency, and that confirms it is the original one. You go to the first link and click it. When you get to the second tab, you're going to see three options: sign up with phone or email, continue with Apple if you have an Apple device. The last one is continue with Google if you don't want to use the two options above. You can use any of the options provided here. I will go with the first one. Because I'm in South Africa, Google automatically puts South Africa as my country there. But if you click the arrow, there's a list of other countries you can choose depending on where you live or stay. You're going to click confirm to confirm your country, and then to the next step, you're going to fill up your email if you want to sign up with the email. You can also use your phone number to sign up if that's what you would like to do. If you go with the first option, you're going to have to put an email that you will use along with the password that you're going to use to log in when you go to the Binance platform. When you choose your password, you have to meet all the Binance required conditions for your password to be allowed. Over here is your referral ID that is going to be linked to your Binance account as you remain active or after your account has been created. You have to click I agree over here. It's going to be clicked for you most of the time. After clicking the two options above, you have to come over here and create the account. Binance will send you a verification code to your email. You have to go to your email and get the verification code so that you will go and fill it up, and you will go to the next step afterwards. This is me filling up the code. After filling the code, you have to click submit. After the page is downloading, your account will be created. Over here at the top, you have to verify your account, and here is your account. It's already active. You have to click on the verify button to go and verify it. For your account to be verified, you need personal information, government ID, facial recognition through the selfie, and review time is going to take 10 days. And that is how you create a Binance account.